Hello, welcome back to CJ Models. Gonna do some spraying work now on a Hasagawa 172nd Lightning CF6. It's undercoated with black, just because these are raised panel lines, and I'm gonna hopefully try and show some of that through with some thin coats of paint. In case you didn't see the live video, I'm gonna do the Saudi colors for this one, because I just like it, it's different. So to start with, we'll spray the underneath colour, which I got Humbrol's Duck Egg Blue. Spray this one. I thinned it down with a bit of Vallejo thinners, mixed down just to a milk consistency. So give it a couple of light coats with our airbrush, and let's say we don't want to go too thick with this, and then we'll do the camouflage on the top once the underneath is complete. So excuse the compressor. So we'll just do some building up with coats and we'll see where we go. I'm guessing it'll probably take at least 2, but we'll see. So we'll just test. That's fine. It's quite nice actually. So we'll start with the wing. We'll go nice and slow. Might be a bit too thin this actually. No, it'll be fine. I'll follow the elevator and then it comes up along here. So just a thin coat to start, nothing heavy. So that's what you don't want, is it pooling like that. So just wipe all away. Just a little base coat for now. I'll give it probably 2 or 3 coats off camera. Just wanted to go through the basics with you. So we'll just set that to side to dry. And then what we'll do then, once all that's had this couple of coats, we'll come back then, and then we can probably mask it off camera, because it's pretty simple, just one straight line, just to mask off the underneath. So it's just a straight line, quite easy, and then we'll do the camouflage with a 2-tone brown. So just a quick little video on that one, and then we'll come back and we'll do that then. So thank you as always, appreciate it, thank you very much. Hello, welcome back to CJ Models. Got our underside painted and masked off. It took about 3 coats to do it the way we was, nice and thin. I just used my masking tape then. It's probably one of the easiest ones I've done because it's pure straight line. and then just mask off the wings and the elevators. So for the browns now, do the lightest one first, which is, I've never used these paints, which is Roots Model Paint. This is 84 Midstone, and I bought these offline, so I'm going to have a play with these. Brand new bottle, not even been opened. So we're going to try it with the Vallejo thinners. Hopefully that should go alright. Mix it to about milk consistency. So I could say we're doing a quick review on the paint as well. Looks quite thin paint anyway, so we'll do 50-50. Thin's quite nice actually, it doesn't curdle. It's quite smooth paint. It's going to wipe that off. So there you go, like a milk consistency. Just turn the compressor on. I'm going to get, let's say, because I never used them, an old wing just to practice. Maybe backwash it a bit. That's better. Yeah, that'll do it for us. So let's give a nice even coat all the way around the aircraft. I'll try and do it. So see, I'll have to go for still. Hang on a sec, I'm just gonna play with the needle a bit here. Try that. That's better. I might do. Still not happy, so no thinners. Backflow a little bit. Try a different part of the wing. There you go. That's better. Go nice and gentle to start. I'm going to have to hold this is like this. Don't worry about the canopy too much because that's black anyway. take a couple of coats by the looks, this one. So I'm going to set it down rather than play with it. Probably give us 3 coats, and then we'll come back in, and then we'll do the dark earth camouflage pattern then, once all this is dry. So we'll probably give it 3 coats, and then nice and easy, nice and light, 3 coats of that, and then we'll get on with that camouflage. I might do some with you together, and then we'll spray it all up then from there. Okay, thank you very much. Until the next time. Hello, welcome back to CJ Models. As you can see, we masked up our lightning, ready for our dark brown colour, well, dark earth should I say. I've used normal white tack for this. This is the stuff I use. Not on camera there, sorry. Just your basic white tack. Do a little random. I just get it. Let's get a bit and I'll show you. I think there's a video on this when I done the Hudson. Just doing this, roll it across. It's a bit thick. You want some thin, some thicker. You want a little random because that's how the camouflage pattern is anyway. And then you just wrap it around and you can bend it or have all the shapes you want. The next camouflage pattern I'm going to do, instead of using this, I'm going to try AK's masking putty. But I haven't got it at the moment, so this is why I've done it this way. I'm going to try my best. Normally I'd mask off the bits I don't want to, just stop any overspray. But I'm going to try and do it freehand. If it goes wrong, it goes wrong, and respray any mistakes. It's not a problem. Just remember, it's modelling at the end of the day, it's all practice, and just play around with it. Don't worry about making mistakes, it's easily solved. I made many mistakes in my time. I can see one I've done there. I haven't put any, I masked off a little bit on the corner. So, you know, save a bit to do on camera. Many planes I've had to chuck out because I've wrecked, but it's all a learning process. So like I said, I just missed. There's a little bit which comes over here, just like so. Way too much, but not to worry. Way too thick. That's it. Just that little bit by there then. Sadly, with the instructions, you can't see the wings, so I've kind of done this at random. That's all you get. So we made it work. I had to look online. There isn't too many photos, but we'll make it work somehow. So this is the paint we'll use. Vallejo's BS Dark Earth, British Standard if you were wondering. And it's all creased on it. I think it's 71323 is the actual paint code. But it's airbrush ready, so hopefully this will help us with it be a bit thicker, so we can it won't spray out too fast. So we'll see how we go, and then let's say straight out the bottle. I'm guessing that's about 20 psi, that is. Looks like I should spray straight out the bottle, so got an old wing here, just like play with. Yeah, it's fine. Quite light for Dark Earth actually. Right, so pick this up. So I'll just start on the nose, because I find when you're spraying it, because it can get so confusing with all this going on, keep the instructions to my hand, and then I start at one side or at the back and work towards the front, so you can just revert. So nice and gentle. If it needs 2 coats, it needs 2 coats, don't worry about that. Don't try and go too mad. Like I say, if you do get any overspray, don't worry about it, because you can just remix the colour we used to start with, and we don't worry too much about it. That bit's with this, I'm just going light, so the paint just comes out, so it's just down on the trigger and then just slightly back. So otherwise, if you go all the way back, it'll come flying out. So it's nice and gentle. The masking tape, but it is annoying. Right, so that's that. That one isn't. That one is. Well, I got the wing to hand. And give this 2 coats. So that isn't. That one is. When you're going in close like that, be careful you don't flood it, so just keep it moving. Nice and gentle. I'm guilty of is going too mad. Turn around. Start again. Like I say, I start from the tail this time and work to the nose, just so you both keep a track. Please check the instructions. So I was about to spray that and I would have been wrong. So it's this one. Okay, so that's not, that is. But I think that's about it for now. I'll give this a second coat off camera. It's not much in it, to be fair. I'm quite happy there's no overspray. The only thing I might find is where I've had to put the white tack along the wing. I might have to dab some of that in along the wing route. We'll see how that goes. But apart from that, that's it for now. Just in case you're wondering, this is KK Moon's airbrush. It's the cheaper version, or the Chinese version of the Iwata basically, and I love it. It's about £15 to buy, and as you can see, you can fine spray with it. You can, if you want to blast it all over, you can. Not much paint left in here. In fact, it's empty, so that's the first time I've ever poured enough paint in here. So yeah, I really like these. They're well worth the money, and I've had this almost 2 years now. So I'll spray that up. I will get a close-up on a short video just so you can see it all close up, and we'll do some decaling then, see how these decals are, and then hopefully get this wrapped up then. So until then, thank you very much, appreciate it as always. Thank you.